Hello guys and welcome back into another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create GitHub ID. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, everything in Git has IDs or some numbers. And if you are searching to create a GitHub ID or your account ID, that would be impossible. And basically, each account has a specific ID or a dedicated ID on them. And to find your GitHub account ID, you can simply go to your settings by clicking on your profile picture, then go to settings, and after that, you can simply go to your emails, and from your emails, you will be able to find your ID and this section. So basically, we'll have your email on top, and then you will find this ID here. Another way to find your GitHub ID is by simply go to your finder. So you can GitHub uh, ID finder, and from there you can just use any service. You add your username. I'm just going to go here, and this is the user ID. If you are searching to have some commits ID or to search for your commits ID, as you can see, each commits would have a SHA or would have uh, a commit ID that you can have. And basically, this is the hash of the commit. And you can simply use GitHub Desktop if you would like. And you can right click and you can copy the SHA, which is the hash. And by that, you can start using it for your operations in the Git. So, for example, check out to a Git commit, and you will need to specify the GitHub uh, SHA or the GitHub, the commit hash, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.